Hi guys, it's your girl NesBerr X, and in today's video I'll be doing a get ready with me, makeup, hair and my outfit. You know it's about to go down, so let's get lit with it. So I'm just gonna fill in my eyebrows. If you guys would like to see a detail tutorial on how I do my brows, just let me know. Also, there's a video on my YouTube on how I do my makeup. But I'll definitely upload a detailed video on how I do my brows. So I'm actually using the Beautiful Bronze LA Girl Pro Concealer. When I got like a high ponytail, I don't really like using like a quite light concealer. I use something that is close to my skin tone, which I feel like this is, so this is what I'll be using. This is how my brows are looking. Just gonna leave them as they are. Now I'm gonna be moving on to hydrating my face, then putting on my primer, then my orange corrector, then my makeup. You guys are just gonna have to watch and see what I do. But this is how I do my makeup. I'm trying to get my skin clear, like I have very dry skin. So I'm trying to slowly get my skin back to looking nice. If you guys have any like recommendation on what I can use to clear my skin, please let me know in the comment section below. Majority of these products that I'm using are in my first video, so please guys, please go and check that out. So I'm using the primer just a bit on my skin. I'm just gonna leave that in to soak into my skin a bit, then I will move on to the orange corrector. Yeah, started using this makeup brush. This is from Real Technique. This is the Expert Face Brush. So this is what I'll be using. I know that my spots will go eventually. So yeah, all of my face, I'm just gonna dab it into my skin, making my way around. Guys, no matter how your skin is looking, like please appreciate it and also love yourself. Like nobody will ever be you, do you get me? And that's what makes you unique. So that's all I gotta say. I'll be using the MAC Matchmaster foundation in the shade 8.0. Like, I think I will try like NARS or Fenty or one of those makeup. So yeah. So for today's outing, like this video is technically a get ready with me. So I'll be going to a shisha lounge with my friend. It's her sister's birthday and anniversary, so I'll be just going there to celebrate. And yeah, guys, I really have some massive laughing lines on my face. It's like, oh my god, girl. I'll be going in with the Actually Beautiful bronze concealer that I've used on my eyebrows. Okay, then a damp beauty blender. This is the Real Techniques beauty blender. As you can see, it's like you can't really see much of the concealer on my face, so I'll be going in with a different shade. So now I'll be going in with the Toffee. It's an Elega Pro Concealer in the shade Toffee. So I'm just gonna be doing that on my face, like literally right here, just a bit, not too much. The bridge of my nose, forehead, and that's it. Like now, I'm just gonna blend it out. Looking up. I normally do, like when I'm using like a Toffee, well, lighter shade concealer, I try not to put too much on my face. So yeah. So now I'll be using the Sacha Buttercup Satin powder. Oh, I'm going my eye. And this is a dry beauty blender. Just gonna be contouring my nose. Just to stop my face from creasing due to my laughing line. So using the same makeup brush I've used to make sure that there's no harsh lines. And this is how I do my makeup. Everyone does their makeup differently, so yeah. So I'm gonna be using these lashes that I've received from AliExpress. Yeah, I know it's doing madness, but yeah. These are very cute lashes. I actually love them. They took forever to come, but they are pretty decent. So now I'll be moving on to a bit of highlighter. Just on my cheekbones right here. I just love me some highlighter. Okay. and just see, just like that. We ain't gonna overdo it, okay? We ain't gonna overdo it. Okay, this is how it be looking so far. So now I'll be going in with the Bobby Brown Sheer Finish Press Powder, golden brown. Just gonna just put that all over my face, just to set everything in and give me that glowing, lasting look. Next, finishing spray, setting spray all over my face. Okay, let's not forget the mascara on the lower lash. So moving on to my lips, I'll be using a brown pencil. Then my NYX. To be honest, I don't remember. This is a soft matte. In the description box below. And then going in last with my butter gloss in Madeleine. If I'm honest with you, I see a lot of people like do this right here, but I don't know what it's for. So I'm just going in with my NYX soft matte. I'm not going to use too much of that. Okay, and just my NYX Powder gloss. Oh my god. Wow. I would never try this color before. But this is a look. This is actually a look. I'm loving it. End of my makeup tutorial. Now I'll be moving on to my hair. Showing you guys what my hair looks like. Look at quite a massive piece from the back. Okay. This will be okay. Okay, and what I'm gonna do is literally comb it out. Spray it, like literally like that. Move that out of the way. And literally just pop it there. Like, just gonna just use one bundle of deep wave and literally just wrap it around. There will be a video up showing you guys how I've achieved this look. So I literally just use this gummy hold for my edges. That's what I'll be using. Because I've already done my edges. I'm just gonna, not much to do to them, so literally just I was gonna use mousse but ran out of mousse, so I'm just using the Elongating Flaxseed gel from Auntie Jackie. And guys, can you just see this? It just looks like this is quite my natural hair. So now I'll be moving on to the final thing in this video, and it's my outfit, guys. outfit time. So guys, this is the outfit. So I'm wearing a corset, blue jeans, and a pair of black heels. So this is the end of the video, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.